I'm about to break down some really cool passive income options in the staking world for you. But before I do it, guys, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for education purposes only. So let's roll the video. So stakingrewards.com, the link is down below. You can follow along with what I'm talking about. But guys, this is a really unique platform where you can actually earn money doing many, many different things. So guys, first of all, what is staking? Staking is where you take some of the crypto you have and you stake it, lock in it. Okay, so you can't use it for a certain period. And during that period, you will be allowed a crazy APR. So you can actually be rewarded a huge amount of crypto back. So for example, you can stake your Ethereum, okay, and your Ethereum will pay you back 11 APR over a year. This is a pure example. But to do that, you have to stake it and you can't touch it for the whole 12-month period. Okay, that's what staking is. Guys, now what I want to do is jump over to another project and show you how incredible the trading strategies are on here. So inside option, guys, it is simplifying the trading world for everyone, okay? Whether you're experienced or novice, traders doing the work for you is the way to go forward in 2024 with trading options. You've seen the film 21 starring Kevin Spacey where the MIT students, they count cards and blackjack. Well, here we have the same kind of strategy and you can actually make millions as well doing it. Very, very detailed after that. But similar statistics here. So they promise if you are unable to return your membership in under 45 days, they'll provide you 100% money back guarantee. Now, I want to show you what this strategy actually looks like with the gains, okay? Guys, I'm going to refresh the page so you can see this is actually my live account, okay? It's not a screenshot or somebody else's. Now you can see this the exact same results. Nothing's been a lie. This is my account. Okay, guys, it's really, really cool. So all the way from July, I'm going to show you the report right now so you can actually see the growth of what we've done. So let me get the PDF for you so you can see with your own eyes. I don't want you to think that I'm just bringing this up and pretending that I use it. Okay, guys, this is really, really well. So you can see full reports of the growth. I'm about 110% of growth on this, okay? Incredible. 107.64. We've got 19.3% of the month, guys. This is something you can't find anywhere. Here you can see some of the wins that people are sharing, guys. All right, these are real people just like myself that have been using the strategies, using everything inside of Inside Options, and they're actually making money, okay? They're not coming on here and faking results. They're showing exactly what they have made and real transparent results, okay? So if you want to be one of these people, guys, you know what to do with the link down below. Now, calculating the staking rewards, okay? This is how you would do it. So for example, Ethereum, you choose your provider, okay? Whatever the provider you want to do. Let's go with Lido Finance, okay? Stake the amount of 50,000, okay? And your one-day earnings will be $4.08. And guys, you're getting this reward because you've staked it. You've allowed this to stay. You're not going to sell it. You're not going to buy it. Can't touch it. 7-day earnings, 33. And for example, after a year, you'd make $1,750. Guys, that is just money for free. If you're not going to touch the Ethereum or whatever token it is, you can change this, then you might as well just stake it anyway. And you can see the APRs on here, 16.26, for example. Okay, incredible gains. A staking portfolio is where you can have an all-in-one portfolio helping you to make these investments smarter, okay? Full visibility and full control on this. Want a smarter solution for staking? If you want to get started, guys, simply click this button, okay, and start building up your portfolio. The portfolio is a very, very cool way to have all of your crypto staking at once so you can make money in all different places. So looking at some of the staking projects on here, okay, Lido Finance, Alnode, Kiln, you can see the percentage all the way down the side. Guys, you choose whatever it is you want to choose. Doesn't matter what country it is, doesn't matter, okay? You just have a look and you can see how many stakers are on each one, all right? So 55.11,000 stakers on here, okay? Very, very cool, 16% gains. So you choose, guys, pick one that's the highest, pick one that you've got crypto in that you're not going to bother about using. Okay, guys, now I want to show you some of the biggest exchanges that actually allow staking, just to show you that every single exchange out there is going to offer a staking option. So for example, crypto.com, you're going to get 14.39% annually by staking with them, okay? All exchanges are going to give you a staking option. Very, very easy, and you can choose which blockchains to get rewards. So for example, if I have Polygon, okay, I'm going to give 3.84% APR just by staking my Matic. If you have XRP, if you have other ones, okay, it's completely up to you. You can stake them. Again, on Binance, okay, like I said, all the biggest ones will have a staking option. Okay, so for example, Kraken, a huge exchange, okay, they have a staking aspect just like all do. You can get the staking assets here, select one to stake, and just earn rewards. Simple, guys. Very, very easy way to stake. Now, one thing to know with the staking rewards, okay, like it says here, some staking coins may require a bonding period. This is for all kind of stakings, okay? To earn these, all you got to do is select the asset you want to do and go from the proof of stake process. Guys, you will get rewarded twice a week on Kraken. Sometimes you'll get rewarded once a week. Sometimes you get rewarded once a day. Okay, completely different on every exchange. Guys, I hope you know a little bit more about staking and where you can get it and how it works. Please do me a huge favor. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified. Get out there and stake some of your crypto. Let me know in the comments when you've done it, and I'll see you next time.